Okay, so this video is going to recap with you how to link cells and worksheets as well. So what we've got here is something that you should have seen in lessons. So it's a screen on ringtones. So you can see the first worksheet is called Original, and we've got lots of different ringtones with the company, the name of the tune, the artist, and then various information. And then what we've got to do is we want separate information about the same ringtones on a second sheet. So I've already got my headings at the top so I know what to put in. So the first thing I've got is the company. Well, if you look here, I've already got this information on the first sheet. You are not going to copy and paste, because if you copy and paste, when we change the information on this original sheet, it'll not change on the second. So instead, I'm going to highlight the information and press Ctrl and C, and then go to the new sheet and the first position cell that I want to copy it to. But then, instead of pasting, we're going to choose the paste link. And then the difference is it looks the same, but if you look now, it's not actually got the text tones are us in, it's got a link. So if I change that first, remember we've got the little ants there, so press escape to turn those off. If I change that game now to games are us, tones are us rather 2, you'll see that in my new sheet it says the same. So you must make sure that you copy and paste link. So the tune and the artist, I can do exactly the same. So in this case I can highlight both of them together, Ctrl and C, go there, and then paste link, and then you can see I've got the same. Consumer opinion of ringtone, I've got that here, whether customers think it's affordable or not. So first I'm going to turn off those little ants again that were running along those by pressing escape. Highlight your data again, Ctrl and C, move to where I want to copy it, and paste link. Now what I want to do is, I've been told that I'm needing to work out how much it'll be if we increase the game prices by 10%. So I'm going to be increasing every one of these, the total cost of the ringtone, by 10%. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a field called price increase and call it 10%. And then at the same time I can use my absolute referencing as well. So what I want to do is a formula. But you think, well, how do I do it? Because my field is in here. Remember, just let Excel do the work. So open up your calculator by pressing the equal sign. What field do you want to calculate? Go and find it. That's the field I want to calculate. And then this is the key. Tell Excel what you want to do with that field before you move back to the other sheet. If you move back in now, look at the top where it now says I'm in the original field, original workbook. It'll move to the expensive. So keep where you want to be, and I want to tell it I want to times it by that field there and accept it. But then what I'm going to do is, before I copy that calculation, I'm going to lock in the I2 cell, and then I can easily copy them down. And then the final thing is, it wants to know what the new price is going to be. So this is going to be the old price plus this 10%. So equals, find the first cell you want to add on, which is your tones are us insomnia. And then again, while I'm still in that worksheet, you've got to still be in the worksheet, I want to add on the 10% price increase, and then accept it. Nothing to lock in this time, and then if I copy them down, all I have to do then is format these fields to currency, and I've got my new price. And you could check it, get your calculator out and check that 1678 times 10% is 1.67, which it is, and then check that 1678 plus that comes to that, and again you'll find it's right. So to recap, to link cells, you can copy a whole row of data, move to where you want it to be and paste link. If you're doing calculations, open up your calculator with your equals, and then just go and keep finding the cells that you want to work with. But remember to put in your plus, your minus, your divide, whatever you want to do with that field before you move on. And that's it.